Warping squad.
Jesus. Jeez, man.
Warping Ba and Yo to fighting area. Oh, that was fast.
Wow.
Warping wing.
Drones says.
Ooh. Juke does juke.
So neck and neck.
Right?
You might have gotten me. Oh, but I might have gotten him.
Close. Oh, oh.
You can do it, girl. You can make it. Come on.
Oh. Damn. Ooh.
Oh. Holy crap.
Damn.
What is that, 10%?
Yes.
Warping.
Out of all the things you could say, fighters, are you ready? Warping. Really? What if you're warping it? Oh.
And once again, Tass is not moving.
He's still doing damage, though.
Yeah, it was shield damage. Dez forgot to deploy his drones. Well,
They're out.
engage. Oh, it's neck and neck again.
No.
No, it's not.
Where does he say that in updates and he's in structure? Get him, Z. Get him. Get him.
Dez came to play. Yeah, that's pretty much what I figured was going to happen.
Can you slingshot and get out?
That's what he's doing.
Well, apparently my sensor disruption idea is not working too well because you still have me locked. What's your max lock range?
Really high on a Kestrel.
I'm making sure it's actually working in general.
You guys actually moved so far out, I have to move so I can keep filming.
His maximum targeting range without skills is 50. So after skills, it'll be over 60.
Have
Ah,
It'll be determined very quickly who's going to win. Let's just put it that way.
The most unison warp to date so far.
Z, you're not moving.
nope. He won't let me lock him.
Why not?
I'm being dampened. I can't lock him.
Oh. Oh, this is.
This is sad.
I mean, I'm doing everything I can, but when you can't lock the man, you can't lock him.
No, I hear you. I mean,
I'm
Try-
throwing bullets out the window at him.
Slingshot out. Try it more away.
Yeah,
Yeah, don't give him the
you warp away, you just is off the, you you lose just as bad. So
no, he doesn't get a point. Sure, you
no,
don't.
it's defaulted according to what the rules said. If you warped
No.
out, you lose.
No, if you
Uh-uh.
warp out, the person no kills are gained.
It's
It's
most
like
kills.
a tie.
That's all that matters is most kills. Just like when you're out there in
Yeah,
space.
but he's already got me scrammed. I can't do anything. External factors are preventing you from warping.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm literally, guys. That's it. I'm doing all this pilot knows to do, and now he's playing with me like a little rabbit.
You're
Right.
outrunning his missiles. Oh yeah. Oh.
Warping.
Trixie.
Oops, forgot to stop.
That's understandable.
Oof.
Wow.
Warping.
I was wondering where those drones were.
I forgot him. That's what happened.
That was a straight up shootout.
That's what this turn has been missing. But it's not your normal ships. You would normally expect to see like a Punisher and Curses going at it.
Yeah.
Executioner.
Just waiting to see if that newt hits.
Come on. Hit, 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 hit.
Oh,
Overheated.
Damn, those rockets are pounding. No drones, huh?
Oh, yeah, they're trying to catch him. He's outrunning him right now.
Maybe they're not showing up on mine.
There they go. They weren't micro-warp driving. They were just slow boating.
Yeah, that's the bad thing about drones. Sometimes they can be finicky. Okay. I'm gonna be AFK for 1 minute. Tuck the boy in.
Oh, yo.
Dezz might actually go down on this one.
Well, he doesn't have a damage control, so. I think if he would have been on
close.
Dezz instead of orbiting, if he would have approached, he would have had him.
yeah.
Yeah,
Ping.
The rocket's just looking.
Oh, so close.
Oh, I thought you had that one.
Or no. Or 4-1. How does...
Who's this one? Dezz and Krona?
Tank and krona.
Oh, wow. Wow.
He's taking them to the sun is what he's doing.
Great, so I'm never gonna be able to go get the loot.
His rocket are gonna be too. I think.
That's funny to watch. It's gonna be the longest fight ever.
Damn it, Shadow, your orbital path is so huge.
This isn't an orbital path.
Yep,
This is rock and roll!
Slingshot is what it's
engaged.
called.
Hey, Dez, do some fancy maneuvers for the camera since Shadow's too far out.
Do a somersault.
Barrel
Use the boost to get through.
Do a barrel roll.
At this point, it's just a draw because neither one of them have each other scrammed.
All right, Tass, you want to go and get started?
Oh,
Not
don't
a
say that
joke.
yet. Don't say that yet. Because he's only got one drone that's engaged me. Oh, yeah.
But you still have to get past his armor.
But yeah, but here's the thing now. Because I've got him where I want him, he can't shoot me. Because the only thing that shoot me is that one drone, and I've got him scrambled. And he can't lock me. Oh, no, he has me locked. Fuck.
Which means more drones.
Fuck. Fuck.
Oh.
I don't even know where you guys are in space. Are you like off grid? Oh, you're like flying. You're like flying through us and shit.
You know what I would? I don't think it. I have an answer to fix this problem, but I don't think it's fair. I can't. I don't want to.
My rogue?
No. A tactic that would.
I don't know. Dezz's shields are regenerating. It's just funny because he's an armor boat.
There you go. Now you're thinking.
So if I warp off, does that mean it's a draw?
It means
No.
you don't get a kill and he doesn't get a kill.
So it's basically a draw. But not
But
really.
you can't. But you can't move up.
But seriously, Tass, did you want to go and get started?
Yeah, we can do that.
'Cause they might be going at this for a while.
Well, it's pretty simple how this ends.
I make a mistake, and he fucks me up.
You warp out, or you close in and die.
Mm-hmm.
That's.
What happened to Captain?
Says he couldn't
here,
fit
man.
up enough. Oh.
Nah.
Am I not on your overview?
No, are you not in fleet? Oh, there you are. You're in a Mollis. Dirty, nasty Mollis.
Alright, tank, move yourself into the warp fleet.
Okie dokie.
We'll just have a sub-spar here. I'm gonna go ahead and warp them.
Yeah, you can work us.
It's like flipping channels on the game because the other nothing going on here. Let's check out the other game.
That's what I'm having to do right now.
Well, I mean, Shadow's using strategy to, against drones and it's working, so why not?
Oh wow. Oh,
What the hell happened? So
I
sad.
don't know. Nice
Yeah,
work,
lots of
Taz. And back to the other game.
Hi.
You guys are out of range.
Like they went off of your watch list?
Like,
Oh, fuck yeah.
Actually, Shadow's even
I
recharged.
found the range where he can't lock me.
I just gave up.
Yes!